Working with System.String class. C# supports two types of strings, namely mutable string and immutable string. The term immutable means we cannot change the characters that we've already created, and the term mutable means we can change, that is, modify the characters that we've already created. Now here in this lesson we're going to discuss immutable string and its functionalities. Now we'll show how to create and manipulate strings using System.String class. We can create immutable strings using string or string objects in a number of ways. They are assigning string literals, copying from one object to another, concatenating two objects, that is, combining two objects, and we can create using toString method. The most common way to create a string is to assign a quoted string of characters, known as a string literal, to a string object. Take a look at this example. Here, the first statement depicts the declaration of string type variable. The second represents the assigning string value to the variable of string type. Here, the variable str contains the value name. And we can also create new copies of existing strings. This can be accomplished using a method called copy. In this example, we have declared an assigned variable called str, with the string value Peter. In the second statement, we are declaring a new string type variable str1. Here, both the variable str and str1 contain the same value, Peter. Because in the second statement we use the method copy to copy the content of str into str1. Well, now we'll see how to combine two string values to form a single string value. We can concatenate strings in two ways. One is using the plus operator, and the other is using the concat method of string class. Take a look at this example. In this example, the variable str1 contains san. str2 contains van. Now see the next statement. Here we have created a variable str, and using the plus operator, we've combined both the strings. Now the str contains the value san ven. We can also achieve the same task using the concat method. Here the concat method contains two arguments, str1 and str2, and the concatenated value is assigned to the variable str. Another way of creating a string is to call toString method on an object and assign the result to a string variable. This statement converts the number 10 to a string 10 and then assigns the string value to the string variable str. Take a look at this table. It contains various methods that could be used for various operations, such as comparison, appending, inserting, copying, indexing, joining, splitting, trimming, removing, replacing, and searching. Now, we've already discussed some of the methods like concat and copy. Now, let's discuss this all with a simple example. Open a Visual Studio.NET 2008 console application. Add this coding and see the logic. str1 contains the value sen. str2 contains the value ven. Now take a look at this statement. str3 was just declared, and the value of str2 was assigned to str3. Using the method insert, we've inserted a string cat at the position 3. Now the variable str3 contains the value of venCat. Now one thing you have to understand, we are not appending the existing variable. We have used the insert method in the newly declared variable. And using the method compare, we are comparing the value of two strings. And the compare method returns a Boolean value of 0 if the condition is true. Here the str1 and str2 contain different values. So the compare method returns the value of 1, and the condition inside the if statement is false. So the control will move to block 2 and execute the statement inside it. Press F5 to run the program, and check the answer. Right then, I hope you've got a clearer idea about string class and its methods. In our next lesson, we're going to discuss system.stringbuilder and its methods. Now take note, verbatim strings are started with the @ symbol.